What is a zones of regulation check-in? Have you ever wondered how students can better understand their feelings and manage their emotions? A zones of regulation check-in might just be the answer. This structured moment allows individuals, especially those with autism spectrum disorder, to assess their emotional state using a simple framework. The zones of regulation framework categorizes feelings into four color-coded zones: blue, green, yellow, and red. Each zone represents different emotional and physiological states. The blue zone indicates low energy or feelings like sadness, tiredness, or boredom. The green zone is where students feel calm, focused, and ready to learn. This is often the ideal state for effective functioning. The yellow zone reflects heightened alertness, with feelings such as frustration, anxiety, or excitement. Lastly, the red zone represents intense emotions like anger, panic, or elation. During a check-in, individuals identify which zone they are currently in. This can be done verbally or with visual aids, depending on what works best for them. A teacher, therapist, or caregiver usually facilitates this process, and it can happen multiple times throughout the day, especially in school settings. The check-in serves several important purposes. First, it promotes emotional awareness by helping individuals label and understand their feelings. Second, it supports self-regulation by connecting emotional states to specific coping strategies tailored to each zone. Third, it encourages communication between the individual and adults or peers by providing a shared language about emotions. Lastly, it helps prevent emotional escalation by allowing early recognition of shifts in feelings, enabling timely use of calming or alerting strategies. In educational settings, the frequency and format of these check-ins can vary. For example, students in general education might have brief group sessions, while those in specialized settings may receive more personalized and extended check-ins. Overall, a zones of regulation check-in is a practical tool that helps individuals with autism spectrum disorder develop greater emotional control. By making their internal states visible and manageable, students can learn to navigate their feelings more effectively. This approach is a core part of the zones of regulation curriculum, which teaches self-regulation and social-emotional skills in a way that is accessible and meaningful for learners on the autism spectrum.